Hi, this is Matt on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to learn how to make steak with spicy stuffed potato and collard greens with vinaigrette sauce. So there you have it. Here's our steak with our spicy filled baked potato and our collard greens with a balsamic vinaigrette. This is definitely a meal fit for a king. It looks great, it smells great, and as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to munch out on this. Let's not forget this vegetable saute that we made to put on top of our steak here, like so, with the mushroom and the peppers and the onions and the garlic. And now this is just a great meal. It takes a little while to make. It's definitely not a 60-minute meal, but it's good for the weekends. It's good if you have the time to do it, like on the weekend. I think your family will definitely appreciate it, and they'll definitely request it more and more. Well, I hope you had a great time making this meal. I know your family is going to enjoy it. On behalf of Expert Village, this is Matt Senator, and I'll see you soon.